Welcome to Suburban DIY. We've been having a lot of rain over the past few days here in early October. This is our rose garden, and we had beautiful roses, but the soil is so compact, it's like concrete, that it flooded, killed the plants, haven for mosquitoes. To help us on this job, I picked up this awesome, massive, powerful jackhammer from our good friend Shane at the Flight Springs Ranch. I'm pretty sure this should do the job. Let's get into it. I've got this can of dry lock that I used on the back wall to repair the concrete and the masonry, and I got a little bit left over, so I've exposed the concrete for the rose bed. So I'm just going to go ahead and use what I've got here. Why? Because I've got it. No other reason. Otherwise, if I didn't have this, I wouldn't do it. Welcome back. It is mid-February. We have received the roses that we ordered, and it is time now to plant them. Let's get into it. If you're curious about this signature piece, it's actually a luggage wheel from my niece and her husband from a few years ago that were visiting, and it broke at the same time we were putting this together. So we just kept it on there. Check out the video. I'll put the, it should be in the upper left-hand corner. I'll put that link in the description below. You can see it. It's pretty funny. We live in the low desert of Phoenix, Arizona. So what we're doing here is putting protectors around what I call the trunk, or trunk protectors. We do this for all of our trees and bushes and plants. The reason we do this is because it's so brutally hot during the summer. We try to put on as much woody mulch as we possibly can. In this case, I'm trying for 4 to 6 inches as the soil will settle. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or write a comment. It really helps out the channel. And if you haven't done so already, click subscribe and click the notification bell so we can see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.